Caught him loafing.
What the fuck is he doing? What is
Caught
he doing?
him loafing. Caught him loafing.
He tried to breathe with his eyes. Well, you can do it, man. There it is. Holy. I'm feeling kinda strong now, Chad. This is tougher. Oh my god. And then they said the Senate isn't real. Holy shit. This is living proof right there. It is real.
I had a boy about the same age as me turn to me and say, "Ooh, what happened to your face?" And I looked him dead in the eye and I said,
Have you ever shit yourself?
Sure. That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
and I had a boy about the same age as me turn to me and say, "Ooh, what happened to your face?" And I looked him dead in the eye and I said,
Sure. That one there was a violation.